one we see, but 5 are there, deceptive in the distance. And that you may wonder less at what Diana did, those islands were 5 Naiads. Long ago 10 bullocks for a sacrifice they slew, and when the joyous festival was given, ignoring me, they bade all other gods. Indignant at the slight, I swelled with rage as great as ever when my banks are full, and so redoubled both in rage and flood, I ravished woods from woods, and fields from fields, and hurled into the sea the very soil, together with the nymphs, who then at last remembered their neglect. And soon my waves, united with the ocean streams, cut through the solid soil, and fashioned from the one 5 islands you may see amid the waves, which men since then have called Echinades. But yet beyond you can observe how one most beautiful of all is far withdrawn, and this which most delights me, mariners have Perimela named. She was so fair that I deprived her of a precious wealth. And when Hippodamus her father knew, enraged he pushed her, heavy then with child, forth from a rock into the cruel sea, where she must perish. But I rescued her, and as I bore her on my swimming tide, I called on Neptune, ruler of the deep. O trident wielder, you who are preferred next to the god most mighty, who by lot obtained the empire of the flowing deep, to which all sacred rivers flow and end, come here, O Neptune, and with thy gracious will grant my desire. I injured her I save, but if Hippodamus her father, when he knew my love, had been both kind and just, if he had not been so unnatural, he would have pitied and forgiven her. Ah, Neptune, I beseech you, grant your power may find a place of safety for this nymph, abandoned to the deep waves by her sire. Or if that cannot be, let her whom I embrace to show my love, let her become a place of safety. Instantly to me the king of ocean moved his mighty head, and all the deep waves quivered in response. The nymph, afraid, still struggled in the deep, and as she swam I touched her throbbing breast, and as I felt her bosom trembling still, I thought her soft flesh was becoming hard, for even then new earth enclosed her form, and as I prayed to Neptune, earth encased her floating limbs, and on her changing form the heavy soil of that fair island grew. End of Book 8, Part 3.